go to the shop? No. Yeah. In the shop scare you? Are you upset now? No. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Very sneezy today. Should we go home and see Mama? Yeah? Gonna go home. Hello? Hello? Oh dear. Poor baby. Someone fell asleep. So sleepy. Where's Ezra? Where's he gone? Ezra? Peekaboo! Oh, he looks so sad. Peekaboo, Ezra! He was going like right down like this. Hello! Then he pops up, peekaboo! Where's Ezra? Where's Ezra? Peekaboo! Where's he gone? What's he playing with? Peekaboo! Where's he gone? Where's he gone? So serious. Peekaboo! Hey guys, I realise I've hardly vlogged today. I think I haven't vlogged. I think the only thing you've seen is Ezra going to the shops with Lee, and then Ezra playing peekaboo with me. You saying hi? Here's more Ezra. This is just Ezra's vlog today. Yeah, I'm just feeling really rubbish again. I think I'm just having one of those weeks because I can't really do much because of my coccyx. Which is almost better, it's getting there, but just the resting is super boring and it's making me all bummed out because I want to do stuff and I want to go out and enjoy the sunshine, and instead I'm stuck inside and blah. And our internet just keeps dropping out, so uploading videos has even been just troublesome. And then but my score is getting super high on that no internet dinosaur jumping game. So that's that. And Lee's been really good looking after me and taking Ezra and stuff for like small bits and then bringing him back up for small bits, taking him down for small bits. So yeah, that's been good. I don't really know if there's going to be much else to vlog. The kids are being kept overnight again. I thought they were going to be home with us, like now, but apparently not, I guess. Yeah, so I guess there's more time for me to rest, and not have to worry about them, so that's good. We've got loads of spaghetti.
Oh yeah, we still got some left.
Hi guys, we're at the shop now. I just needed to get out of the house. But my coccyx regrets everything. I'm in a lot of pain. Oh well, I'm glad to be out of the house anyway. What do we want? Sausages. So, I don't know why I went down the chocolate aisle. Chocolate aisle's completely sausages, right?
No.
Look how cute Ezra looks. He looked really proud a minute ago, but he's shifted position since then.